Today we're gonna show you what we shot. First off, we shot a nice hen mallard, and we got 3 of them. We got 3 hen mallards, and mallard drake, really pretty, and then we got a green-winged teal hen. As you can tell, that's why they call them green wings, because of green on their wings. And they're the smallest duck in North America. And that's all we shot today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.